Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I did the Sephora haul the other day. There are still some things from the Ulta haul that I have not tried yet, and I just did a PR unboxing on Instagram, so I've got a lot of new things to try, so I figured just throw them all into one video and bring back my trying new to me type videos. If you guys have not seen that before, it's literally just a video of me trying new things, and I point out to me because some of it is new to the market and a lot of it is just new to me. It's been around, but I haven't tried it before. So if you want to see that video, then just stay tuned. I think I might be coming down with something because I can't breathe through my nose and I've got that frog stuck in my throat. Thank you though for all of the birthday wishes. As you can imagine, it's a lot to keep up with, so if I didn't answer personally, I'm telling all of you. Thank you for anyone who said it. For my eyes, we're just going to jump into this Profusion Cosmetics Nude Eyes palette. This is one of the ones I received in a PR package. It's a nude eyeshadow palette, and look at that. We're progressing when it comes to nudes and deeper skin tones. Okay, so let's take this shade Zing as my transition shade. I'm gonna attempt to use the brush that comes in the oh, wait, maybe this will be a nice palette. She's a dusty palette as far as kickback goes, but those are usually the ones that perform the best on your face. I don't know how I'm feeling this brush. And take that shade next to it called Devious. And the shade right next to that called Vibes. And that's gonna stay more so out here. Okay, she darker than what I was thinking. All right, ooh. Y'all know the real test in a palette is the shimmer, so let's see. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, that was the shade Mic Drop. Now I don't know what shade to use next to it. I guess this one, Lionheart. Even though I'm going from darker to, you know, it's yellow. And, ooh. Okay. Got it all in my braids. I'm taking them out after this video anyway, so. It's weird. I'm not sure if it blends in a little too much with that dark brown shade I've got in the corner of my eye, or if it just is not as good of a shimmer as the first one. But thoughts on the eyeshadow palette in general? Meh. I'm sure you have something like it at home that you probably like better than you would like that. Moving on, I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer. I actually have already been using this one. I've been using it as in combination with the cleanser that they just came out with. The cleanser, I don't know if it's like the first of its type or anything like that, but it feels weird compared to other cleansers out there, so I'm just throwing that out there. That doesn't help, but I don't know how to describe it. You would just have to try it for yourself and let me know if you agree. Primer, this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer. I almost said setting spray. I was telling you guys in that video that I've been hearing good things about this, so fingers crossed. I'm gonna put it in my T-zone. Yeah, I'm gonna put it, yeah. Oh, thoughts on the Milk Moisturizer. It's thick when you're rubbing it in and on your face, but it doesn't feel that way throughout the day. Like, it's not a heavy, y'all know I don't like heavy anything, so I wouldn't still be using it, but it is thick in feel and texture when you're putting it on your face. So this is what I was talking about when I was saying new to me, not necessarily new to the market. This is the Becca, oh wow, I don't even know. This is a Becca concealer. I think it's called like Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in the shade Cha. I don't know. I can't see the sticker on the bottom whatsoever, and this is not new. The concealer itself is not new. This is a very old concealer, and it's not even like a new purchase for me. I'm pretty sure I showed this to you guys in a video a while ago. I just never got around to actually trying it, so we're gonna test it out today, see what she's giving us. It feels pretty lightweight. I'd say this is probably a medium coverage concealer, but I think it's supposed to give you like some type of luminous, glowy type thing, so those concealers are very rarely full coverage. I don't know about this shade though, but again, we'll see. Really not sure how I'm feeling about this color. It's low-key giving me color corrector vibes, but we're gonna keep pushing. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation in the shade 630 Deep. CoverGirl, we have an issue. There are only like 14 shades, and if this is not the darkest one, I think this is like the second to darkest shade. That's a problem. Very rarely do I test out foundations outside of foundation hunts, but yeah, I'm also backed up on foundations, and there are quite a few I gotta try, so okay. I'm not sure how this is going to go. Let's see how it blends out. What does that smell? I don't like it. So I was sitting here trying to figure out what that smell is, and this is on my desk. Don't ask why. Look, it's a mess down here, okay? But this is on my desk, and then I realized what this smell is. You guys know the green or the blue version of this? I was talking about it not too long ago in another video. I think it's called like coconut, whatever, that version of the bump. That's what this foundation smells like, and that is why I don't like it. I spent that whole video telling you how much I don't like that smell just for this to smell like that. It's like a coconut, like, what is it, buttermilk something, I don't like it. I'm not a fan. Got my face over here smelling like grandma's purse. I am not a fan. That's weird. Am I seeing things, or does it feel like there's some type of milky? Okay, you know what? Let me just try blending the whole thing out. So this is the Fenty What It Do setting spray, but I told you guys, like, I feel like this is more of like an in-between layer spray as opposed to literally setting your entire face. So I'm gonna use it with these two layers before I move on to powder. Look how it missed out. Look at that, look at that. This also has a smell. It's like a pretty floral scent. And I'm just gonna take this, whatever this is called, pad, and do some more blending before I set all of it. If you're wondering if I can still smell the foundation on my face, I can't. It applies weird, it smells weird, but it has a nice finish on the face. I mean, let's see the whole finish face, but you know, so far, I'm not mad at the finish on the face. I'm not sure that's a smell I want to continue to smell. So from Jouer Cosmetics, this is their deep to dark bronzer duo, and y'all, do you see what is that a bronzer for dark skin? Is it? Ooh. So I'm gonna use this side. Of course, this shade is Sun Gazed. Hope I didn't just blind you there with that mirror. Okay, Jouer, I had to drag them for that initial, you know, foundation launch, but ever since then, I don't think I've had to drag them again. So maybe they're getting the picture. No, all it takes is one good drag for some brands to get it. And then just go over the areas that I use the lighter powder with a more, you know, skin tone shade. This is the new L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder in the shade 614. This is the new Fenty gloss in the shade Hot Chocolate. And then I'm gonna throw these Makeup Revolution glosses on top because I can never do just one lip product. Giving me a little too much pink, so let me throw this Uma gloss on top. I have a problem, I know. I thought I was done. I forgot the new Fenty well, actually I haven't put lashes on yet, so I'm not done, but I forgot to put on mascara. Oh, it's different. If you hold it like this, it's a skinny wand. If you hold it like this, it's a fatter wand. Okay. And that is it for my face today. I'm actually feeling how my face came out. For using a whole bunch of products I haven't used before and using them together, wait a minute, this might be a look. Products that stood out to me, the Infallible powder, I feel like that's a good shade, especially for those days where you go a little overboard with your lighter setting powder. Anything else stand out? The bronzer. Okay, Jouer. Okay, I see you. I actually have bottom lashes now, thanks to the Fenty mascara. I'm trying to think of things like looking at my face that stand out. Well, it's not, I can't see it on my face, but that setting spray from Fenty, first of all, the mister had me sold there. But like I said, I do think that's a very good in-between layering type of spray. I don't know like how much it's going to do if you just use it to set your face and go about your day. I feel like those are the only things that stand out to me. I'm not sure where I stand on this foundation as far as how it looks on. It was weird applying it. It literally low-key felt like I was applying milk as my foundation. And like I said, the smell, but it has a very nice finish, very lightweight. Ooh, okay, wait, okay, Covergirl, we gonna give you some more shots just to figure this out. What else did I already told you about the vegan, the milk moisturizer, told you about the eyeshadow palette, gloss bomb. I mean, it's just a new shade, it's not anything new to you. Oh, the primer. I'm not sure if like that's also why I'm feeling this finish that I've got going on, but I'm definitely keep using it. So yeah, okay, all right. I haven't done one of these type of videos in a while, and when we come back to it, it's off to a good start. Look at that. 2020 is just gonna be our year. Okay, so that is it for all of the new things I had to try and show you guys in this video. You know, I hope you got a little, you know, first impression on any product you might have been eyeing for yourself. Let me know if there's anything else new that you want me to try out that's gonna give me an excuse to shop, even, you know, for content, not shopping for myself, because we're not doing that anymore for 2020, right? So let me know about that. I'll obviously keep you guys updated on the things that I tried in this video. If you never see it again, let me know, you know, hey, what'd you end up thinking about this product? And yeah, that is pretty much it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.